National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Blizzard Harbor to Michigan City.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 20 nautical miles east of Wilmette Harbor to 9 nautical miles east of Harrison Beaver.
15 nautical miles southwest of Gary, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Indiana Harbor around 6:10 p.m. Burns Harbor and Marina Shores at Newton Harbor around 6:25 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms. The following is a special